Hello and welcome to Uncle Jack's Outdoors. It's a beautiful evening here in Pocahontas County, and I just decided we're going to take the muzzleloader for a little walk this evening. We'll try a couple different things. I'm going to shoot 40, 70, 110, practice a couple reloads as if I was hunting and had to get a quick follow-up shot. And if we're lucky, we might go back to the 200-yard table and see if we can't hit some steel. Thanks for being here. Let's take a look at our components. We're using some Remington 209 primers. We've got the 245 grain hollow point power belt. Here's my quick reloader I take in the field with me. It sort of waterproof, carries 3 shots with 3 primers. And we've got some 50-50 pellets. The muzzleloader we're shooting is a Optima V2 by CVA. I've had this gun going on 6 years now. Great gun. I'm lucky enough to get about 50 rounds through it every year. It came equipped just like you see with this Conus scope. It's got a fluted barrel, the thumb hole polymer stock, recoil pad, and it's a 200-yard capable muzzleloader. We're shooting off a Caldwell lead sled. Really helps with recoil and to dial in some accuracy. So I wanted to get some practice relevant to hunting. So one of the ways to do that is to utilize the same equipment you plan on using while hunting. These are the quick reloaders. Bullet nose down. I prefer a triple charge. I think you get more velocity and more accuracy using the triple charge. The gun is rated for a magnum charge. That's 150 grains. So we're going to go 3 pellets and the power belt. Now that was nice and easy because the gun is clean and lubricated. It will get more difficult from here. Throw in a 209 primer. Let's get some eye and ear protection. We're set up on the 40-yard silhouette. And one thing to note about my CVA is that it does have a pretty light trigger. I'm not going to guess on the poundage, but I would definitely call it a hairpin trigger. Let's see what she does. 40 yards, center mass. All right, guys, you saw it. So, good thing to note, 40 yards, just hold dead center. You know, a lot of my shots here in the mountains are in that 40 to 50 yard range. Let's take a shot at the 75-yard silhouette. All right, guys, let's practice a reload. Pull out the old primer. You want to keep in mind, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. The 40-yard target was a nice dead center shot. Let's try one at the 75-yard silhouette. Same result. I'll walk you down there. Okay, we're down here at the 75-yard silhouette. And we've got a nice center mass shot. So looking pretty good so far. 110 yards. My plan is to fire 2 shots. So far we've put 2 in the 10 ring, which is great. Man, I aimed like 2 inches high. And the impact was 2 inches high. So the first time I had the crosshair centered right there, And I held in the same spot for the second shot, so that's a 2-inch. We're talking 110 yards with a muzzleloader, pretty good. Okay, so bullseye, bullseye, bullseye. Then we switched powders and we were 2 inches high. Now that's at 100 yards, so, you know, in my opinion, for here in the mountains, we are dialed in. But let's have some fun. The 200-yard table is behind me. I'm gonna run this up to the house, swap GoPro batteries, and I'm gonna run some cleaning patches through this. We've now shot 4 shots, and that's pretty much my limit if I'm testing accuracy. I went ahead and cleaned the gun. I ran 4 cleaning patches, a seasoned patch, and a dry patch through it. Now it's not spotless, but it's back in the zone of accuracy. Although, the more I shoot this, the more I think it's capable when it's dirty. Okay, so the 40-yard target becomes 120. I'm going to aim right at the old impact shot. Let's try a second shot at the 120-yard target. I mentioned a minute ago that this gun is capable when it's dirty. As crazy as it sounds, sometimes I think the first shot coming out of a spotless gun tends to wander a little. So, I'm curious what a second round will do at 120 yards. Shot number 3 at the 120-yard silhouette. Okay, here we go, 150-yard silhouette. I'm going to hold center mass. Impact. Okay, so this was a 150-yard target. Shots 1, 2, and 3. Not bad. On paper, probably in the vitals. Well, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you learned something about modern inline muzzleloaders. I'm no expert, but I like to hunt the muzzleloader season, both West Virginia and Ohio. So it's always nice to get some practice. I think I need some more practice out past 100 yards. And we'll try to get another round in this summer. Thanks for watching, and God bless.